Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a denim blue metallic. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 254 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys, a macchiato beige MB-Tex interior with a natural grain light wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set all season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with auto dimming mirrors, blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, ambient lighting, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system, which stands for Mercedes-Benz User Experience. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes, turn heated seats on." Simple as that. You're able to give it voice commands like any smart device. Dual climate controls, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, some hard keys for our media display. This GLA has 1,976 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.